How to fix your X or Twitter replies not posting. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and check for the X server status. You want to go to status.x.com and check if the X server is down. If that is not the case, you can simply go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and check if there are any updates available for the application itself. If that is not the case again, then you want to simply go ahead and review your content. There might be some kind of restricted words, links, or spammy content in the reply. If none of it works, try restarting the app or restarting the device itself. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.